Hey guys, I'm doing like a little makeup tutorial. I buy nothing but like drugstore shit and like cheap ass $1.50 eyeshadows, and they're actually pretty good. This is one by Santee Madly Matte eyeshadow, the purple. This one right here fell out. It crushed. It was my favorite color too. But there's a bunch of pretty colors in this one, and I forget what this one is. But okay, this is another eyeshadow palette I have. A friend of mine gave this to me because his ex-girlfriend doesn't use it, I guess, anymore. So he gave it to me, and I was like, "Fuck yeah, I'll take it." So yeah, free shit. Let's see. Here's another cheap ass. This one was only like $2.50. It's all cracked and shit, but. And most of the eyeshadows and blushes and bronzers and stuff are gone. But yeah, cheap ass shit because I'm a cheap bitch. But okay, let's see what else I have in here. Yeah, that's about it. But stay tuned, and I will have my full face done with this cheap ass shit. Okay, to start, I use this Baby Skin by Maybelline. It's really good. It helps my pores out because my skin is all like, it's not bad, but it helps. Okay, get a pray. Okay, my face is primed. Next, I'm going to be using this Smooth Minerals by Avon Liquid Foundation. I like it pretty much. It has really good coverage, and it has SPF 12 in it, which is pretty good. And it's in Nutmeg or Muscade. Okay, I'm going to put this on my face next. Okay, first foundation is on. Next, I'm going to be using this, oh, excuse me, Revlon Color Stay Concealer under my eyes and in my highlight areas. So we're back with it. Okay, my highlight is on. Next, I'm doing, this is Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer, but like you can see the fucking words rubbed off because I use this a lot. But it's really good. So I'm going to do this, and I also have this, also by Santee. A lot of cool colors in there. And I'm going to be doing my eyeshadows in probably my normal, which is like this top color in my inner corner and most of the lid, and this deep brown right underneath for the outer eyelid, and I'll be back with that. Oh, also, where's my lipstick? Oh, it's over there. And I'll be back with the lipstick after. Okay, slight change of plans. Slight change of plans. I'm going to be using, let's see if I can get this in the right angle. This sort of peachy color where my thumb is to do most of my lid, and then I'm going to bring in this deep brown in there. You can see it, that deep brown on the outer lid. I'm going to do a little wing and then my lipstick. And I'll be back. Okay, this is my full face look. Did the eyes on my lips are Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Addiction, which I love. I'm in love with this thing. It's so pretty and it suits me, I think, pretty well. I wear it all the time. But yeah, that's my little makeup. my makeup. I hope you like it. If you want more, I gotta do my hair next, and I probably won't put that in this video. But if you do like it, give it a like, comment, subscribe, give me some ideas, makeup ideas you like. I can do a lot of different looks. This eye needs to be, yeah, fix that. Okay. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, give me love. Bye!